Ladies and gentlemen, the truck, the yard is in shambles. Surprising to everyone here, including myself, we got a water pump in and the belts in the correct formation. New hoses for the rad. Everything's plugged in, so we're gonna fill her up with some, oh shit, I wouldn't call it distilled, but some fluoride water. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna just wait for this temp to go up. Oh, look at that oil pressure, nice. Ladies and gents, it's been probably 10 minutes now, and it burped, topped her off. Still got a ways to go, but yeah. Oh shit. Nice. What you're seeing here is a disappointing moment.
No.
We took her out for a maiden voyage and I left the radiator petcock open, so. All right, good morning, everyone. If you couldn't tell, I'm in the 74. She drives nice. So I'm driving this. I'm gonna go pick up some old wheels I got because we have a potential trade with a fellow classic car enthusiast. So I'll go grab those rims, kind of tell you more about them, and meet up with our buddy Phil. Big shout out to Phil with hooking us up with some trim pieces. We're gonna knock out a little piece here on the details. Close, looks good. This is I can break that off with my hand, so it's ready to go. All right. Subscribe to Mother Trucked. Subscribe to Mother Trucked. Subscribe to Mother Trucked. Got some burnt out bulbs. Luckily, right down the road they sell them, so I'm gonna run down there, probably grab more than I need, and see if we could just button this back up and side markers work. Got the bulb. Got this too. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with this right now. You have to have a certain level of artistic skill Notice how I'm getting super quiet because I do not possess that skill, and it is taking 170% of my focus. Oh, I thought I messed up just there. See that? That looks better, doesn't it? Remember, we just need to make it look better. I got some bulbs, and I also realized I've been calling the side marker lights blinkers. So sorry about that, but all put together. This side's all buttoned up. I ended up polishing out the rear lens here. Just a little extra elbow grease. I don't know if it goes a long way, but I notice it. We need a bulb. Good morning. Here we are, taping off. A little tape job right here. We're gonna finish taping off, and we're gonna give this fender well here a nice coat. of our favorite paint. Those of you that have been around, Ace brand black satin. I use it for everything. It's awesome. Alrighty, let's watch. Taping prior to painting has got to be one of my least favorite things to do. Super satisfying in the end, but very tedious. I'm coming around to it though, you know, do it right the first time sort of thing. So let's check out how it looks. Everyone knows the only thing worse than a shady tree mechanic is a shady tree painter, but I'm looking to turn that around, make you guys a believer. So let's just remember what this looks like. Alrighty, everything's gonna look a little wet, but this is a satisfying part, and I'm not gonna rob you guys of it. Oh, look at that! Look at that awesome, sick patina. Just paint coming up with the fucking tape. It's nice. Oh. See what happened there? Alrighty, everyone. Finished product, rather. Again, is it perfect? No. Does it look better than this? Yes. You know, let me know if you would have left it like so, original. I know when selling these things, people tend to like that because it's not hiding any rust holes, but you know, for me, I want to pop the hood. Dang, you know, from right there, that looks good. That looks good to me. Alrighty, we knocked out some projects this week. She ain't done by any means. A lot more in store, but we're gonna get this backyard cleared out from trucks for a little bit. My sweet wife has been so gracious with me buying these 2 trucks. So we're gonna park this on the side while I'm at work, get the sprinklers going again, and have a nice green luscious grass to work on and crawl under trucks with.
A few days later,
the engine bay just needs one more side of paint. The front is all good. The interior, we're gonna move on to next. She's all right, she's pretty baseline, but we're gonna take it to that next level. Clean her out, work our little magic in the areas we can, just see where she ends up. Let's do it. Here is our aftermath. If you thought we would clean this out, you'd be 100% correct. And if you guessed I was just gonna use the pressure washer and probably break something, you'd also be correct. So let's see how that goes. She's not too shabby. You know, I'm not one to toot the old horn, but toot toot. That thing is gonna smell minty fresh. The work goes twice as fast with 2 people. Who would have thought? It helps that she's cute too. Here's a couple coats. She looks better. All I can ask for. Here I am treating the door, a couple rust spots, nothing crazy. Truck interior, still pretty much gutted. I think I want to clean out the whole inside before I throw that cherry seat back in. So we're gonna work our way to the front, back to the exterior. We have our marker lights, or blinkers. And this one wasn't going, just a bad bulb. We're gonna polish up these lenses and wait for the new bulbs to come in. I was scared to put this part in. I'm washing them in the kitchen sink, so sorry, Angel. So very quickly, my motto I find myself saying on this channel is, what is it like? Just make it look better. It looks better, something like that. So here's just an example. The dumbest little piece, you know, we just got a plastic lens here. Let's just make it look a little bit better. Polish her up, you know, side by side in the same light here. It looks like two different colors. So we're gonna do the same thing to this one, but I just wanted to take a moment. No matter how small or insignificant you might think it is, just put a little elbow grease in it. See how it turns out. If you noticed a trend, I jump around this truck a lot, so figured I'd sand down the bumper for new paint and polish up the windows so you can see out of them. Thank you to each and every one of you who made it this far in the video. And those of you that aren't subscribed, really think about doing it. A lot more content, a lot more trucks, and a lot more entertaining videos to come soon. This was just an update.